engaging, and viral-ready video content for your social media pages? If so, then you need to check out Done For You Viral Reels. Done For You Viral Reels is a platform that provides businesses with a wide range of video templates and video clips that they can customize with their own branding and messaging. The platform is easy to use and affordable, and it can save you a lot of time and money on creating social media video content. Review: I've been using Done For You Viral Reels for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with the results. The video templates are high quality and engaging, and they're easy to customize. I've also found that the customer support is excellent. One of the things I like most about Done For You Viral Reels is that it's so easy to use. Even if you're not a video editing expert, you can create high quality videos in minutes. The platform also offers a wide range of video templates, so you can find one that's perfect for your business and your target audience. Another thing I like about Done For You Viral Reels is that it's affordable. The platform offers a variety of pricing plans, so you can find one that fits your budget. And, if you're not sure if Done For You Viral Reels is right for you, you can always try it for free. Demo. Here's a quick demo of how to use Done For You Viral Reels to create a social media video. 1. Go to the Done For You Viral Reels website and create an account. 2. Once you're logged in, click on the Browse Templates button. 3. Browse through the video templates and find one that you like. 4. Click on the Customized button to start customizing the video. 5. You can add your own branding, messaging, and images to the video. 6. Once you're happy with the video, click on the Export button to download it. Free trial and bonus. Done For You Viral Reels offers a free trial to all new users. This is a great way to try out the platform before you commit to a paid subscription. Bonus. If you sign up for a paid subscription to Done For You Viral Reels through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package that includes 100 additional video templates, a video editing tutorial, a social media marketing guide. Conclusion: if you're looking for a way to create high quality, engaging, and viral ready video content for your social media pages, then I highly recommend Done For You Viral Reels. It's easy to use, affordable, and it can save you a lot of time and money. I hope this content is helpful.